What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to change your picture to become a short video and the effect will be anime. How is that possible? We can change the one picture to become the short video anime. So don't worry guys, because this time I'll show you the tutorial and we will use this Pixverse application. Since I'm using the Android phone, then you can install it from the Play Store, or if you are the user of the iOS or the iPhone, then you can simply install it from the App Store. And after it is being installed, then you can simply open it. And also don't forget to the logged in or sign up from your Google account, then this application will earn you several credit over here. So for the user, it usually gives you 60 credit and it will be renewed whenever you run out of the credit, and it will be renewed usually at the 0 UTC, or in if you live in Indonesia, then it will be renewed at 7 a.m. in Western Indonesia. So we will go back to the template since we would like to create the anime. So we will choose this search section, then I will type the anime and I will choose this anime magic, and it will direct you into the gallery that will give you the chance to select the favorite picture, and I will choose this picture. And as you can see here, this effect or this animation will need 20 credits. So since we have the 20 credits left, so it will be enough to do the generation, and I will continue to generate it by click this create button, and it will take you a while to do the generation for this application. And as you can see, this credit is already run out, but don't worry, if you are still new user and still would not to purchase any upgrade version, then you still need to wait until tomorrow and it will be renewed. And as you can see, that was a notification that our video is ready. Then we will go to the notification menu, then we will click this result. Let's see. Wow, isn't it interesting, right? So you can share this video into your favorite social media, or you can also simply download it to save it into your device. So that's all guys, don't forget to try it by yourself into your device. And if you have any requests or feedback for this video, please don't be hesitant to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.